Plan for paraeducator assistance. This form is to help you determine specific times when a paraeducator is needed for assistance. In column 1, put the specific class activity in this column. Example, morning arrival. In column 2, you will need to determine the specific need for the paraeducator during that class period. Example, assist with making sure the daily routine checklist is followed by the student. Column 3 is where you identify areas to increase socialization for the student. Example, a buddy will be seated next to her to assist with making sure she follows her morning routine checklist. Column 4 is where you can help identify areas where independence can be encouraged. Example, by using a visual checklist, the student should be able to hang up coat, turn in homework folder, and begin working on morning work. Column 5 is where the total time needed for paraeducator support is documented. Example, morning work is for 30 minutes, but the paraeducator is only needed for the first 15 minutes to make sure the student does the checklist. Once the student has done all of the things on the checklist and begins working on their independent morning work, the para is not needed. Then you would write 15 minutes. Column 6 is where you start thinking about the amount of time that is needed in each class activity and thinking about the anticipated time reduction in the paraeducator support by the next annual review. Will that amount of time continue to look the same, or might we be able to begin fading the paraeducator support? Example, in the morning arrival time by the next annual review, we are hoping this student will become independent with visual supports in place. So we are planning for a 15-minute reduction time in paraeducator support.